Hello, my name is Michael Wundlehner. I'm Product Manager at Metrology at the Hoffmann Group. And today I want to introduce the setting bench to you. The setting bench is used to set comparative measuring tools like the micrometer, the quick caliper, universal measuring instruments, or the high precision bore gauges. Who doesn't know the problem in the practice if you want to set the micrometer? There you need a gauge block set. First of all, you have to calculate which gauge blocks you need. Then you have to assemble it. This is very time intensive and mistakes can happen. To set a high precision bore gauge, you take a setting ring. You need a setting ring for each diameter. This means if you need a new setting ring, you have to order it, you have to consider the costs, and you have to consider the delivery time. To solve these problems, I want to introduce to you the setting bench today. There you can see it has two gauge blocks. One is fixed and the other can be moved. The only thing you have to do is that you have to enter if it is an inside or outside dimension and the dimension itself. For example, 100. Then you have to push enter, start, and then it automatically moves to the right position. If you want to set a micrometer, then you do the following things. First of all, you put in that it is an outside dimension. And you put in the dimension itself. For example, 250. Start, then it automatically moves to the right position. Then you put the adapters onto the machine. After that, you take the micrometer and zero it. And then you go to the history and you print it out. There you can see the dimension itself, the time and the date, so you have all the information that is necessary for setting the tool on the tool itself. So then you print it out, take the label and put it onto the micrometer. The same applies to the precision bore gauge. First of all, you enter if it is an inside dimension and, for example, the dimension itself 100. Push enter and start. The machine moves to the right position. You put the adapters on the machine. And then you zero the precision bore gauge. Then again you go to the history. And you print out the label with all the information. As a result, you have all the information of the bore gauge on the bore gauge itself. Assuming you want to reset the micrometers after 2 hours again, and you see the dimension on the machine is not the same, then you only have to scan the label, push start, then the machine automatically moves to the right direction. Then you put the adapters onto the machine, you zero the tool again, and then you are ready to use it again.